Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious banana milkshake using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, peeled and sliced, along with 1 cup of cold milk. For that creamy texture, grab 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey on hand to sweeten your shake just right. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to blend them into a perfect milkshake. Carefully add the sliced banana, cold milk, vanilla ice cream, and your chosen sweetener into a sturdy blender. Make sure the lid is on tight. Then, blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. This ensures no lumps remain. Once blended, you might want to adjust your milkshake to your liking. If it's too thick, simply add a splash more milk and blend again for a few seconds. For a thicker, richer shake, toss in another scoop of vanilla ice cream. Don't forget to taste it. If you prefer it sweeter, add another half or full tablespoon of sugar or honey and give it a quick reblend. It's all about personal preference. Your delicious banana milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh banana slice on the rim or a dollop of whipped cream on top. This milkshake is best served immediately while it's still cold and frothy. Take a moment to savor your easy-to-make, refreshing treat. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.